This app is going to increase your sales on TikTok Shop by improving and optimizing your product's SEO. And you might be thinking, SEO on TikTok? That doesn't even make sense. And I thought that too originally. But it is far more important than you think. Let me explain. So let's say you're selling on TikTok Shop and you've connected your Shopify store to it. AlphaRank's new SEO Optimizer app can connect to your store and then instantly optimize everything for you, which will then automatically make those changes on your TikTok Shop as well. It'll optimize your product listings so that they read better for customers, but more importantly, it'll give them more visibility on the platform so they're easier to find. It does this by optimizing your product's title, description, picture metadata, and inputting relevant keywords that you might not have thought of, all automatically with AI, so you don't need to do anything manually. And of course, most buyers aren't using TikTok Shop as a search-based site to find products like, say, Amazon or eBay. Some are, but most aren't. But affiliates are. And a few quality affiliates can make the difference between just a few sales a day or dozens or hundreds, quite literally. So after optimizing your product pages, your sales can drastically increase if affiliates are able to find them easier. Potential affiliates looking to promote products like yours are doing so by going to the product marketplace and searching potential keywords into the search bar, trying to find related products that they can then make videos on. This is happening every hour of every day, and every time they pick someone else's product over yours, you're missing out on a massive sales opportunity. So you want your products to pop up higher in search there, because that will be the difference in an affiliate using your product to link in a video versus a competitor with a very similar one. Just because theirs was ranked higher in the TikTok marketplace search when they were looking, and no one's talking about this, but it is super important. For instance, let's say you have a product titled Forearm Blaster 3000 and you're showing up 20th in search results when most affiliates search out forearm workout or forearm blaster. But then you use AlphaRank to automatically optimize your product's listings, and now you're ranking 4th for those, as well as in the top 5 for maybe other keywords that you didn't even know about. Or another example, let's say you have a product that's an under-the-desk treadmill, right? And you're ranking 15th for that exact keyword. But after using AlphaRank, yours is now showing up 3rd in search results for that popular keyword and other similar ones. Don't you think you'd be getting a lot more affiliates choosing your product to link simply based on the fact that they're seeing it now when they're actively looking for products to promote? Of course you would. And that inevitably will lead to a ton more sales and a lot more money in our pocket. So SEO does matter on TikTok Shop, just not in the specific way that we thought originally, right? It doesn't necessarily mean a whole lot for customers specifically searching on the platform, but it does mean a lot when you're trying to get affiliates to sell products for you, which is the most powerful way to push products and make sales by far. And you don't need to guess with this easier. AlphaRank comes built in with a keyword tracking tool, so from the keyword ranking dashboard, you can monitor all the changes that it recommends that you make, and then with the click of one button, you can have it make them for you. Now, because you're making these changes on your Shopify store first, that's already connected into your TikTok Shop, you'll also get the added indirect benefit of extra sales from improved SEO on popular search engines like Google too. Now, full transparency, it won't happen overnight. Indexing on a search engine like Google can take a little bit more time, but you're already putting these changes in place on your Shopify store already. So a month or two from now, you're potentially getting more organic sales from Google or other search engines for keyword searches that are happening there as well. It's all massive upside with zero extra work or any downside risk. Now, one more thing that I like about this tool that can really improve buyer trust and increase your sales simultaneously is the automatic blog feature that writes with AI. It can automatically generate blog articles for you for your products, which can then also post to your site and make your site look more official and also help bring in more organic buyers via search traffic on these sites. So just like your TikTok videos are sitting there organically bringing in sales for you as your digital salesman, so to speak, so are these blog articles, but their traffic is from dedicated search engines, so it's a different target buyer and you're expanding your potential for sales on a new platform. Now, normally I wouldn't recommend wasting your time doing this if you had to do it manually, but since it definitely will make your site look more official, and it will increase buyer trust almost instantly just seeing that you have detailed blog pages on your products and how they can help potential customers, and most importantly, because it doesn't take you any extra time and the AI will do it all for you automatically, this is a no-brainer, right? And this can bring you extra sales over time with no extra effort. Plus, any traffic that you get from this will be extremely targeted and extremely potential interested buyers since they're already searching out these specific keywords related to your product quite literally. So they'll be much easier to sell and convert, and then they'll be much easier to potentially remarket your products and other potential offers or sales with your email marketing or your retargeting ads later on. So remember, SEO is more important than you think. Don't sleep on it. And because you can try Alpha Rank out completely free through the first link in the description, it's something you definitely should give a shot. Today could be the day that your ideal affiliate is opening up Product Marketplace and searching through it to try to find the next product they're going to promote. But if yours isn't showing up high in the search results, those sales are going to be going to somebody else and not to you. So give it a shot. I really hope this video helps.